Hello and welcome to our latest video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is the latest foldable smartphone from Samsung, offering a unique and innovative design that's unlike any other smartphone on the market. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Galaxy Z Flip 3, its features, and what sets it apart from other smartphones. Design. Let's start with the design of the Galaxy Z Flip 3. The phone features a clamshell design that folds in half, making it incredibly compact and easy to carry. When unfolded, the phone has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2640 by 1080 pixels. The phone also has a small 1.9-inch Super AMOLED cover display that shows notifications and other information when the phone is folded. Camera. In terms of camera, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 has a dual camera setup that includes a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. The phone also has a 10-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is powered by a Snapdragon 888 processor and has 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. The phone also has a 3300 mAh battery that supports 15W wired and wireless charging, as well as 4.5W reverse wireless charging. Other features. Some other features of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 include 5G connectivity, stereo speakers, an under-display fingerprint scanner, and an IPX8 rating for water resistance. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is an innovative and unique smartphone that offers a new way of thinking about smartphone design. Its foldable design, high-end camera, and powerful performance make it a great choice for anyone looking for something different in a smartphone. Thank you for watching our video on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.